A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this morning, let us talk about the national drink, Inonzio Mazoe Orange Crush. According to ZimLife, they say situation reaches another level. Zimbabwe's national drink Mazoe has seen a sharp price increase this week, partly blamed on a sugar tax imposed by Finance Minister Mnangagwa. Schweppes recommended price increase from $3.50 to $4.50, but it has breached $5 in some shops. So this is what is happening. Mthuli introduced a sugar tax. Yes, sugar tax was introduced and is now there. And from $3.50 to $4.50 officially, and from $4.50 to $5.10 in other shops, as you can see right here onto the screen. This is OK Supermarket trading at $5.10. And if you are to calculate the percentage from $3.50 to $5.10, you can actually see kuti munhu ari kubhadhara mari yakawandisa. Team Zimbabwe, honestly, pawaisitenga iwewe mazoe ako 2 liters nemapeps ako mairi kana matatu. In fact, waitotenga mapeps ako anosvika around 5 or 6. You are now being forced to buy just as 2 liter yega yemazoe. And to you who have money, it's normal. But to those without, this is a very big problem. And this is the reason why we always say ZANU-PF policies are not thought of. ZANU-PF policies are not because the people who formulate those policies, they don't even care about where the economy is going. They don't care whether the economy goes south, north, or west. They care about themselves. They care about what is happening around them, not what is happening in the economy or what will happen or the after effects. $3.50 to $5.10, guys, only because of a sugar tax. So the government will continue to have more money because varikwana tax, but an ordinary citizen arikurarama arikurecommendwa kuti atenge mazoe orange crush haachakwanisa kutenga mazoe orange crush. What it means is utano hwako huri panjodzi, because bongo ifanira kunwa mazoe wakunwa mamwe mazidrink aya $50 or waakuchi toshaya chekutonwa zvachose. Where are we going as a nation? So this is not only affecting opposition supporters, it's affecting each and every poor citizen of the Republic of Zimbabwe. The rich havana basa nazvo because they always waste. Kata samotikari dzavanofamba nadzo vane mari, vari kufamba nemotikari ma6 liter, which means they don't care about wastage. So to them, $5 is nothing. But to you, who is struggling, who is failing even to afford fuel for a 0.9 liter, it's something else. So, Team Zimbabwe, when we say we need change, these are the reasons. They don't care about you. They don't care about me. They care about themselves, making money, pulling more resources for themselves, and nothing else. So, and while government is busy with opposition, poor governance, ZANU-PF must go. Let's continue supporting Nelson Chamisa. So, can see the cost of illegitimacy is felt by all. They do as they please. They account to nobody, even their supporters. So their supporters will continue to support them because so they'll feel it. The government could end up losing its total tax revenue from Schweppes, Delta, Varon, etc. if soft drink sales figures fall as a result of these price hikes. The beverages sector could end up having job layoffs. Yes, it's true, because personally, where I was willing to go and buy peps yangu $3 mapeps, ike zvinezvi ndenda kuwana $1. So I can say, okay, let me leave this issue and chatenge peps and chat say. And that is that. I would opt kuti ndikame mukaka kumba kwangu ndomwa hangu mukaka wangu wemombe, because zvezvitori nani. Right now, I believe kuti mukaka unogona kuramba wakadzika, because mukaka I don't think kuti unoedwa sugar, which means zvezvatonani mukaka will be the best option tichiita substitute zvimwe zviya. So it is what it is in Zimbabwe. I do not know what you think, how you view it, but I believe kuti our government is taking us for fools, and the government which we have does not care about the future, does not care about our predicament as poor people. Let us continue to support President Nelson Chamisa. Let us continue to rally behind him and make sure that there is change in Zimbabwe.